Birds' nesting habits. Nesting habits. Learning about how birds look after their young ones. We have been learning about birds. Let's learn a bit more today. As you can see, we are going to learn about birds' nests. Birds build nests to live in and lay eggs. Different birds build different kinds of nests according to the material that they can find. So, you may find birds' nests in trees or in broken walls, old buildings, and sometimes even a fan you did not use for a while. Let's look at some of the interesting nests that birds build. The bulbul builds its nest in hedges and bushes, and its nest is a deep cup so the eggs and babies do not fall out. The tailor bird makes its nest out of 2 or 3 large leaves. It uses its sharp beak like a needle to sew and join the leaves together with bits of wool, cotton, or even spider's web. Tailor bird lines its nest with cotton wool or fine grass to keep its babies warm. Another interesting bird is the weaver bird. The weaver bird weaves its nest out of grass, fine strips of palm or banana leaves. The nest hangs down from the branch of a tree and the entrance is from the lower end. The woodpecker cuts a hole in the bark of the tree in search of food, and then it keeps on cutting deeper and deeper till it reaches a hollow in the tree. It uses this hollow for its nest and lines with fine chips of wood to make it comfortable. The spotted owlet makes its nest in the hollow of a tree or a wall. It lines the nest with feathers and grass. Now, here's a very interesting bird. This is the quail or the cuckoo. Now, the quail is a rather clever but lazy bird. She does not take the trouble to build her own nest. So, she goes to the crow's nest, and when the mother is away, she breaks a few of the crow's eggs and places her own egg. The crows, never realizing what the quail has done, looks after the baby quails just like their own. The crow is fooled because the quail babies look like their own babies. Let's learn about how the bird grows in the egg. The mother and the father birds take turns to sit on eggs, thereby keeping them warm. Inside the egg, the bird slowly begins to form. As the chick gets ready to hatch, a horny growth called the egg tooth forms, which helps the chick break the egg. The chick squirms with the egg and chips away with the egg tooth till the shell cracks from inside. Finally, the chick is able to free itself from the egg. The egg tooth drops off after a day or two after the chick has hatched. Summary. We have been studying about birds and their nests. Become a bird watcher and you will be surprised at how many different fun birds you will be able to find. So, start bird spotting.